Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on your Hotmail application. Keep watching the video till the end. To block someone on your Hotmail, firstly open your Hotmail or Outlook application. The home page of Hotmail with the list of messages will appear on the screen. Select the message or email you want to block and tap on it. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Report Junk. The list of options will pop up on the screen. Tap on Block Sender. Confirm blocking of email by clicking on Block Sender once again. This is how you can block your email on Hotmail application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.